This is the last selector type lift in use in the Res Life area of the OSU campus. It's in the basement of Parker Hall. And unlike a lot of the motor generator lifts that I've seen shown on YouTube, this one here, when the elevator is not being used, the motor generator actually shuts off, so it's not sitting there running continuously. And this is actually quite a bit different than the other older style elevators, like the ones in the 12-story dorm you saw, and the ones from the 10-story dorm, which I have the governors for, which was converted. Those would shut off. The newer lifts would not shut off. They would run continuously. But these older ones, this one's from 1962, these would shut off when the elevator wasn't running. Which, as you can hear, there's two elevator cars, and there's another elevator machine room across the way there. You can see the drum over there, and you can hear its motor generator spooling down. And this one here has, you can see it just coasted to a stop. And this will start back up again if somebody presses a call button on the floor. You can hear that one over there just started back up. If the demand for both elevators becomes necessary, then this one will spool back up like it was at the beginning of the video, and then it will run. As you can see, this car is on the first floor, and then there's the selector tape and some jockey pulleys there, and there's another pulley down there in the pit, and then it'll run up. There'll be another pulley up the top of the hoistway. There's the guide rollers for the car. This elevator is slated for modernization within the next year or so. So I'm taking this video now. I might come back and take another video with a better light on this selector here when it's running, but in general this video will probably be adequate. There's the relays mounted on the selector. And here's the main relay cabinet. If you want to know more about these, there's a whole list of patents, U.S. patents, covering the elevator. And of course, there's the prints with the wiring diagrams. There's a tag here somewhere giving the data manufacturer. There's a lot of, it's kind of dark over here, but there's a lot of selenium plate rectifiers and resistors here. I think these are the resistors for controlling the speed. They've got all those fins to dissipate the heat. There's some large wire wound resistors. There's more resistors there. You see a lot of condensers too. So, anyway, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.